I just got an email from Amazon a couple of days ago telling me that I had some commissions that came in Japanese yen, of all things. And what was it from? It was from a book that I put up and forgot about on Amazon a few years ago. I took a few hours to put it together and I put it up, left it there, forgot that it existed. And I had this commission coming to me from it. And I've had commissions coming to me for a while now, actually, from it. But it was funny to me that it came in Japanese yen. And, and this took me a few hours to put together. I did it once a few years ago, and I still make money from it all the time. And my buddy Alessandro has come up with a way of doing something similar, but instead of taking hours to do it, it takes minutes to do it. And with my bonus, it's going to be even better. I'm going to tell you all about it coming right up in my review of Brain Games Empire. Before we get to that, my name is Eric Hammer. I am known as the man with the hat. And that's because I wear a fedora pretty much everywhere that I go. I am one of the very few people who can pull successfully. Well, me and my buddy Raymond over here.
I'm Raymond Reddington.
Now, if you are new to the channel, by the way, if you're not new, you know the drill by now. Go ahead and skip ahead and ignore all my stale jokes. They're about as interesting as some of Raymond's more creative stories, which I suppose sound kind of interesting. But anyway, whatever. Yeah. If you are new to the channel, what I do here is two things. I review software and info products in the make money online niche. And why was it do such a thing, you might ask? Well, it's actually very, very simple. So make sure that you don't end up buying a bunch of crap.
Crap, I like crap. I love crap. I need crap.
Okay, dude, seriously, you know what? You can keep your crap. Nobody wants it. You may want it, but nobody else does. So keep it, okay? Seriously. Anyhow, if you are new to the channel, the way things work, if I like a product, I will give you a tip. My hat to the product creator. If I don't, better luck next time. Now, I also do a lot of videos here about my mindset and entrepreneurship.
Yes, he's an entrepreneur. He's very successful.
Well, thank you, Liz. Now, you see, Liz, she used to be my fellow New Yorker. I no longer live in New York. I'm actually traveling to New York, by the way, this coming Wednesday because my fiance is finally coming to the United States. I'm very, very excited. Going to be there at the airport, and we're going to fly back together to our beautiful home here in rural Pennsylvania. But no longer a fellow New Yorker, but still, I appreciate what Liz has to say to me. She's very kind to say it all the time. Anyhow, if you are new to the channel, make sure you smash that subscribe button, hit the bell icon to be notified when I drop new videos, because frankly, subscribe doesn't mean we're sharing YouTube anymore. Make sure you like this video, comment down below. Let's get right into this. Okay, so we're looking right now at the sales page for Brain Games Empire. Now, basically, Brain Games Empire is all about making these simple books for children that give them puzzles. So like, for example, Sudoku puzzles, or, find the word puzzle, things like that. And there's a whole bunch of different content. I'll show you the members area in just a second so you can see a little bit more about it. And he's going to show you how to put them together literally in a few minutes. It's really remarkable what you can do here. And like I said, the nice thing about this is that you don't have to do anything, okay? You create it once, you upload it to Amazon, and leave it there, and then forget that it exists, because it just works automatically. You can create more, obviously, if you want to, but once you've created something, it can be there for 10 years and still make you money, because it's on the marketplace. And like I said, I just got a commission in Japanese yen, of all things. I guess I've never written any books in Japanese. I guess somebody in Japan decided that they liked one of the books I put up on Amazon, and they bought it, and there you go. I got paid. In Japanese yen, and they turn it into dollars, obviously, when, they pay me. It just gets deposited in my bank account. It was weird. But anyhow, and the idea is that you create these things once and you just keep doing that. Now, as my custom bonus to you, first of all, I'm going to give you 25 ready-made ebook covers that you can customize. These are really high-end ebook covers. Because you do have to create your own ebook covers for these things. So I'm going to show you where to customize them for free, Plus, I'm going to give you 25 of them that are nice looking, that you can customize in just a couple of minutes. And then Alessandro obviously is going to show you the other part of this, which is how to create the actual ebooks in just a few minutes. So that basically you're going to be able to put these things together pretty much automatically. Now, if you pick up any upgrade, I'm going to give you something very, very special, where I'm actually going to write the description for your product. Okay, basically, you will tell me about it, and I will write the description, because the description really is important in making more money. And I happen to be really good at writing. So if you pick up any upgrade, you're just going to send an email to my support staff, and they will get it back to me, and I will personally write your description for your product, for your book, so that you have a clever description that's really designed to work well with these kinds of books that you're going to be creating. Now, let me show you quickly the members area over here. Okay, so you can see here, there's a whole bunch of different things here. I looked through everything. Okay, it's going to tell you how to publish it on Amazon. He's going to recommend using Canva. I actually have a different method. And again, you're going to get the ready-made ebook covers that you can customize from me completely for free. And you can see there's like a whole bunch of different things. There's 20 questions. There's invent a story, colors and words. Okay, Schultz tables, which my fiance actually loves those kinds of things. Countdown. Okay, there's all these different kinds of puzzles that you can make, and he's going to show you how to do them in minutes, not hours and hours. Because like if you had to do this all completely from scratch, it wouldn't be worth your while. But if you can do it in minutes, which he's going to show you how to do that in minutes, then it takes just a few minutes to put it up. You put it up once and then forget that it exists and keep making money all the time. 10 years from now, you'll still be making money, because Amazon probably is not going to go away anytime soon. And, it's on the marketplace. Somebody searches for it, they see it, they buy it, and you make money. It's that simple. It's so simple. And it takes a few minutes to make these things. Okay. With the training that Alessandro gives you, plus my custom bonus, you are going to be able to have it done for you automatically. Everything's going to be taken care of for you automatically. You don't have to do any of the work. It's literally just a few minutes of effort, and you just keep getting paid over and over again. And again, if you pick up any upgrade, I'm going to personally write the description for your product to help you make sure that you make some more sales of it, so that you make even more money. Okay, so let's see if I'm going to give it to him as the product creator or not.
You the man.
Yeah, seriously. You the man. I really do like this. I love what Alessandro comes up with, because he comes up with really creative ideas. It's always good stuff. Grab this one. You are absolutely going to love this.